A family-owned machining workshop in Finland wanted to streamline and modernize its highly varied and labor-intensive production processes. For example, in the past, production of shafts required 3 steps and was fraught with problems related to straightness, vibration, high carbide insert tool wear, and long chips. The idea was to use a bit of clever Finnish ingenuity to save money and time by combining a robot, standard CNC machine, and superior material in just 1 step. But which material would be best? Jarkko Haavisto, managing director of Juhani Haavisto Oy, and Ovako together came up with the cost savings automation solution utilizing M-steel. A test was made of Ovako M-steel treated bar, 1,091 millimeters in length, compared against the products of 3 other European producers. The steels were comparable in composition and mechanical properties. At the time, it was unthinkable for many metalworking shops to boost productivity through automation. Robots were expensive, and hardened steels often delivered uneven tolerances, poor chip formation, and high vibration levels. Operators had to be on standby 24/7. This all changed with M-steel, which enabled unmanned production and productivity gains of up to 30%, day and night. The word automation conjures up the idea of a longer series production of similar parts. But automation can also be used for shorter series production to free up skilled staff to handle other machining operations. While the cutting speed could be increased by 20% for all steels, the M-steel treated bar had far fewer problems with straightness, vibrations, and chip performance, and the tool life was extended by 5 times. Out of all tested materials, only M-steel could be considered for automated production. In addition, said Haavisto, the cost savings were quite dramatic for the company. Cutting processes in manufacturing are of course a cost factor. M-steel from Ovako lowers these expenses by enabling high cutting speeds and an uninterrupted production process, with a cutting speed of up to 30% faster than conventional steels. According to Haavisto, one can actually hear the difference when using bars made from M-steel because they are quiet, efficient, and make money.